The Golf R 20th anniversary was introduced to celebrate one of the most popular hot hatches of all time. Now, as a standard 20th anniversary spec, they come fully loaded. Vienna leather, which is heated and ventilated, comes with the performance pack, so 333 brake horsepower, top speed of 168 miles per hour, a slightly different appearance with the wheels and the mirrors. But this car is very, very special because of the optional extras it's got. So it's got sliding pan roof, which is a great piece of spec, DCC, heads-up display, and the big one is Akrapovic exhaust system, all from factory. So this car, brand new, was just under £60,000 list. We're selling it for a lot cheaper than that, but the car's in excellent condition. It's done 6,000 miles on a 73 plate. Going to go through all the spec and all the different features because you really need to watch the video to understand how special this car is. The colour is pure white, which works lovely with all the gloss black accents. You've got that bright blue line going through the LED bar. IQ lights front and rear. Now, this is a first for us. We've sold a lot of Golf Rs and we've sold a couple of 20th anniversary, but we've never seen one with these wheels. So 19-inch Estorils, but then you've got that Golf R blue accent on the wheel and on the brake calipers as well. Sliding roof I've mentioned, and in my videos in the past I've mentioned how important that is on a Golf R as a standard car, but it finishes off the 20th anniversary very well. Winter pack on this car gives you heated rear outer seats on the Vienna leather. You've also got the blue parts on the bolsters, on the headrests, and you've also got the ambient lighting pack as well, which a lot of VW customers like. It's a very good system. Now, when we get to the back, larger spoiler, part of the performance pack, but then it's the big one, Akrapovic exhaust system from factory. People pay thousands to get them fitted aftermarket, but this has been done by VW. Good boot space on the Golf R, so good all-rounder. You can use it as a main car, have it as a second car. You've still got good boot space. Performance on this one though, 333 brake horsepower. Top speed is de-restricted to 168 miles per hour, which is frightening. Four-wheel drive, so you can get the power down very well. Now have a look at the doors, door cards. Actual carbon, so not a carbon effect or a carbon twill, actual carbon. Seats here, so you've got electrically adjustable memory setting seats, which are heated and ventilated, only available on a 20th anniversary. When I jump in, I'm going to go through a few more options. Heads-up display, very, very, very rare piece of spec. This one has it. Start the car up. So the difference Akrapovic makes is massive. Great sounding car anyway, but it just takes it to that next level. Just a very, very good exhaust system. Heads-up display with traffic sign recognition. You get all your standard specs, so your heated steering wheel, your adaptive cruise, your different performance modes with it being the anniversary, so you'll hear the difference that makes. Heated seats, ventilated seats, all controlled from the infotainment system as well. If I pop it into reverse, rear view camera, another addition over above the 20th anniversary spec. Sliding pan roof, another addition over above that great spec as standard. You've got carbon all the way across the dash. It's just a beautiful, beautiful car. And like I say, check the price, what it was new. It was just under £60,000. 6,000 miles on the clock, 73 plate. You've still got manufacturer's warranty until the latter part of 2026. But it's a very, very, very rare car. There will be cheaper ones available, but not with this spec. Categorically not with this spec. Just an unbelievable car. So to recap, 20th anniversary, gives you all the features I've mentioned. This one over and above that has pan roof, DCC, Akrapovic, heads-up display, rear view camera, and rear heated seats. So it's a lot to take in. The full specification will be on the website underneath the video. Any questions on this, in case you think I've missed anything or any queries on it, feel free to give me a shout. My name's Paddy. I'll answer any questions that you've got.